Assalamu alaikum. Thanks to the English Language Club Duet for this wonderful initiative. Today's competition topic is Victory Day, a celebration of national unity. December 16 is Victory Day in Bangladesh. In 1947, India was divided into Pakistan, and in 1971, Pakistan was divided into Bangladesh. Since December 16, 1971, Victory Day has been celebrated by people of all backgrounds in this country. It is true that freedom is harder to protect than to win. In the 53 years since independence, our freedom has been challenged many times. In July 2024, we achieved independence 2.0 by overcoming fascism, thanks to everyone's united efforts. Our freedom remains because we are united. I pray to Allah for the best rewards for all those who sacrificed for the country. We must be honest, efficient, and patriotic to keep Bangladesh's independence and celebrate Victory Day again and again. The youth must stand against injustice and protect our country's independence. In the 180 million people of this country unite with love for the country, our independence will last long. We should all work from our own place to build a happy and prosperous Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a beautiful country naturally where people of various religions, including Muslims, Hindus, Buddhists, and Christians, and other religions, live together peacefully. Bangladesh, known as the land of rivers and agriculture. Bangladesh has a rich language, culture, and history. The people of this country are united in their desire to live in peace and harmony in their beloved motherland. So, we should work together for our country and independence. Thank you for watching today's video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.